Good morning, everyone. Myself, A. Sridhar from CSAF section. Today, my topic is about green power and what is it and where it can be found. Introduction to green power. Green power is a energy generated from renewable, environmentally friendly sources, which means that green power is renewable source and it is environmentally friendly source. It plays a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emission and combating climate change. Understanding green power is essential for promoting sustainable living and energy practices, which means that by understanding the green power and it is essential for promoting sustainable living. Defining green power. Green power is often derived from resources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy. Here, green power is often derived from the sources like solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, and geothermal energies. It is characterized by its minimal impact on the environment and low carbon footprint, which means that it has a very low impact on the environment. Consumers can choose green power option to support renewable energy production. Here, the consumer can choose the green power because it is renewable energy source. Sources of green power. Major sources of green power include solar energy, wind energy, and hydro energy. The major sources of green power are solar energy, wind energy, and hydropower energies. Biomass and geothermal energy are significant contributors to green power. Here, the biomass and the geothermal energies are most significant contributors to green power. Each source has unique advantages and applications in energy generations. Now let us discuss about the solar energy. Here, the solar energy means the energy which is derived from the sunlight, which is known as solar energy. Here, the solar energy harness sunlight using photovoltaic cells or solar thermal systems. Here, the solar energy is coming from the sunlight by using the photovoltaic cells or solar thermal systems. It is one of the fastest growing source of renewable energy worldwide. Here it is the fastest growing energy source which is all over the world. Solar panels can be installed on the rooftops or in the large solar farms. As we see, the solar panels are installed on the rooftops or in the large solar farms. Now let us discuss about the wind energy. Wind energy is generated by converting wind currents into electricity using turbines. Here the wind energy is converted into electric energy by using a large turbines where we can see everywhere. It is clean and abundant resource, particularly in coastal and open areas. Here the turbines are placed in the clean and abundant resources where particularly in the coastal areas and open areas. And wind farms can be found on land onshore and in bodies of water offshore. Here the wind farms are often seen on the lands where in coastal areas and open areas and in often seen in bodies of water like uh, offshore. Now let us discuss about hydropower. Hydropower means the power which is generated from the water is known as hydropower. Here, hydropower generates energy by using flowing water to turn turbines. It is one of the oldest and most widely used forms of renewable energy. Here, dams and run-of-the-water systems are common methods of harnessing hydropower. Here, the hydropower is generated by using the flowing water, to turn them into the turbines. And also, it is one of the oldest and most widely used method, and which is of renewable energy, which is mostly used from the olden days and earlier days. Dams and run of the river systems are common methods in harnessing hydropower. Here, the dams are very important and very important source to get the hydropower energy. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is derived from the organic matters. The biomass is generally means the energy which is obtained from the organic materials is known as biomass energy. Biomass energy is derived from organic materials such as plants and waste products. Here, the biomass energy is derived from the organic materials such as the plants and waste products. It can be converted into biofuels, electricity, and heat, providing versatile energy options. Here, the biomass is important source for biofuels, electricity, and heat, providing versatile energy options. Sustainable biomass practices can enhance carbon neutrality, and reduce waste. By using sustainable biomass practices, we can enhance the carbon neutrality and reduce waste. Now let us discuss about the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy utilizes heat from the earth interior to generate electricity or heat. Here the heat energy or electricity are generated from the earth's interiors by using geothermal energy. It is reliable energy source available year round and can provide base load power. Here geothermal energy is a energy which is available year round and can provide baseload power. And geothermal plants are typically located near the tectonic plate boundaries of and or hotspots. Here the geothermal plants are mostly located at the tectonic plates boundaries and hotspots. Let us discuss about the benefits of green power. Green power reduces reliance on fossil fuels and helps transition to sustainable energy future. By green power, we can we cannot rely on the fossil fuels which would be exchanged very soon and helps the transition to sustainable energy future. It contributes a job creation in renewables energy sector and local economics. Utilizing green power improves public health by decreasing air and water pollution. Here, the green powers are mostly important because it improves the public health by decreasing air pollution and water pollution. By using the fossil fuels, we get the water pollution and air pollution. But by using green power, it improves the public health by decreasing the air pollution and water pollution. Green power in US. The US has made significant investments in green power resources over the past decade. States like California, Texas, and Iowa lead in renewable energy production. Federal incentives and policies supports the growth of green power nationwide. Here in US government made many investments in green power sources for over the past decade. And states like the California and Texas and Iowa leading in the renewable energy production. Here, the federal incentives and policies supports the growth of green power nationwide. Global green power trends. Many countries are setting ambitious targets for renewable energy adoption by 2030 and beyond. Nations like Germany, Denmark, and China are at the forefront of green power development. International collaboration aim to share technology and best practices for renewable energy. Here, the many countries are getting and setting goals for renewable energy adoption by 2030. And nations like the Germany, Denmark, and China are in the forefront in green power development. And international collaborations are also happening for renewable energy sources to develop green power. Challenging facing green power. Intermittency of resources like solar and wind possesses challenges for reliability. Infrastructure limitations can hinder the widespread adoption of green power technology. Policy and regulatory frameworks need to evolve to support sustainable energy development. Here, the solar and wind poses challenges for the reliability, and infrastructures are very limited to adopt the green power technologies, and policies and regularities should also changes to sustainable energy development. How to support green power? Individual can choose green power options through their utility providers or community programs. Supporting policies that promote renewable energy development is crucial for the progress. Reducing energy consumption and increasing efficiency can complement green power efforts. Here, the green power can be supported by the utility providers, and we can support the green power by reducing the usage of the fuels which are non-renewable, and by using the fuels which are renewable can supports the green power. Future of green power. Advancements in technology are improving the efficiency and affordability of green energy. Energy storage solutions like batteries are enhancing the reliability of renewable sources. The integration of smart grid technology can optimize the use of green power. Conclusion about green power. Green power is essential for sustainable energy, future, and environment preservation. Here, the green power is very important for sustainable energy future for the future generations and environment preservation. By understanding and supporting renewable energy, individuals can contribute to global efforts. By using the renewable energy sources, we can also contribute to global efforts for green power. Together, we can foster a cleaner, healthier planet through the adoption of green power. By using the green powers like solar energy, wind energy, hydropower energy, geothermal energy, we can adapt to the green power and we can have a foster cleaner and healthier planet. And this is all about the green power and what is it and where it can be found. And thank you.